StormX holder, if I tell you to StormX will make you a rich man, will make you millionaire. So absolutely 100% I am right, my brother. You know why? Absolutely I will tell you in this video to why and how. Absolutely how, my friend. The question is that to how. The main question is that to how they will make you rich man, they will make you millionaire. So let's get started this brand video. Kindly before I get started this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type very brand videos, my friends. Kindly like and subscribe. Alright, brother, if you focus what I talk to, then absolutely you understand to how they will make you millionaire. First of all, my friends, if I draw this chart, absolutely you understand, my friends, to StormX, one of the fastest and unique coin. Let's see, my brother. After that, you absolutely believe that to they will make you millionaire. So let's see, my brothers. Don't skip, otherwise you cannot understand. And you comment me to sorry I cannot understand. Sorry I cannot understand. Then absolutely you are not. You never understand if you skip this video. So kindly don't skip any second. Alright, this time you can see, my friend, the StormX after a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. First of all, remember this: to after a jump they fails down. Remember this: after a jump they fails down, like that, exactly like that, my friend. You can say this is not a big fails, my friend, but absolutely this is fails. You can see here, and I hope I know to after this fails, this short fails, they absolutely take a jump. So if I know to they take a jump after this spell, then absolutely, my friends, if you hold, if you buy this stamp, if you buy this stamp, if you buy this point, absolutely, if you sell when they take a jump, then they will give you a good profit. Now, so you wait for this time to when they fails down, you just buy it when the price will be very cheap. Absolutely, it's the same like this time, my friend. This time the price is very cheap, 0.02 USD dollar is the price. So this is very good time to you buy. So buy it, and remember, this is not a financial video, my friend. Someone tell me to this is a financial promotion video. To I tell you to this is not a financial video. This is just advice, you, my brother. So you can see this time if you buy exactly, my friends, they will give you very good profit. And if you sell when they move, when they wake up and they're moving up, then absolutely they will make you millionaire. So the man reason, the man talk with I talk you, my friends, absolutely that's, my friend. Absolutely I hope, my brothers, you understand what I talk you. Absolutely this time you can see, my friends, this is buying time. You can see here they completely moving upward, and if holders starting buying, then absolutely the prices will be very good, my friend, and they will completely moving upward. So you need to buy in this time, and absolutely the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward. So this is very good for short term investor, especially for short term investor, to invest and make a good money. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.